Did you know that HighLevel's voice AI can book appointments automatically for you without ever saying, "Hold please"? We all know this common frustration with calling a business and being put on hold, but with HighLevel's voice AI, we can book appointments without your customers ever skipping a beat. To do this, simply navigate to your sub account, then go to Voice AI Agents, and under Agent Goals, we can set up a new action by clicking New Action, clicking Book Appointment, selecting our calendar, and then we can click Save. Just like that, using our appointment booking action, whenever somebody calls our AI, it can now book an appointment with them immediately without ever putting a customer on hold. Some additional things you should dive into before setting this up are: one, you should definitely have receive email notifications post-call completion on, so you can select which users are going to be receiving an email whenever somebody does book a call with this appointment booking voice AI agent. Additionally, I would set up your prompting to specifically target booking appointments for your customers. As always, if you have any questions about prompting, simply go to the prompt guidelines page where you can view more about how you can create good prompts for your voice AI agents within HighLevel. Also, adding a knowledge base to your agents can really help customize the experience for your customers and make sure that they are booking appointments. And of course, go through all of the other areas of the voice AI platform in order to make sure that your bot is finished before you deploy this into your business. Once you deploy this in your business, this is one of the most powerful ways to use AI within the platform in order to book appointments with your customers. As always, I hope you found this helpful. If you want to learn more about this, view the blog below, and thank you for watching.